Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Tim came all the way from Indiana to have his bike done. Got an NVS Audio Stage 3 done. Are you completely happy?
Oh man, I'm ecstatic. It's much better than I expected. Boy, y'all got to get out here and see the master himself, Mr. Carlos Ramirez.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So we're working on this Ultra, and these are the speakers that came in the back. They're 5 1/4 because that's what comes from factory. 5 1/4 is what normally fits. So they upgraded to some Hertz Cento 5 1/4. First problem is these speakers are not weatherproof. They're not part of the SPL show line. And if you use a 1/2-inch adapter, if you use the Metra 1/2-inch adapter, you could drop in 6 1/2-inch, no problem. So these are the Hertz SX 165s. They drop right in to 13 and down. All you need is a 1/2-inch spacer, no cutting at all. So you don't have to go to small speaker like that. You can go to large 6 1/2 and get a lot more sound. Okay, so we went the Cicada CHs in the fairing. I let Tim hear the bike yesterday. He's a true believer now. Plenty of output, really bright highs. HKM Mini DSP, 2 Sound Digital evox 800.4s. He was considering going with a 1204 and an 800. I said, let me do the 800s. Take a listen to it. We're keeping the 800s. He was blown away by the output. If you wire them correctly, and of course give him enough current, which he's doing because there's our Braille lithium that we're adding. 2 800s give you a really good amount of output if you're running 8s in the bags for our stage 3, in our personal opinion. We have the ground zero yellow baskets in the lowers. We upgraded the 5 1/4s in the tour pack. They're now 6 1/2s. And we did the Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers in the bags. We kept his Alpine head unit. We're just gonna finish tuning, drop in the battery, and he'll be on his way back to Indiana today. When we cut the bags, we make sure that the cutout cannot be seen from the back. Gives you a much cleaner look. There's our Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers. Nothing in the lids on this one.
There's not a minute, hour, day, or night that I don't love you. You're at the top of my list, cause I'm always thinking of you. I still remember in the days when I was scared to touch you, how I spent my day dreaming, planning how to say I love you. You must have known that I feel deep enough to swim in. That's when you opened up your heart and you told me to come and come home. A thousand kisses from you is never too
true. I had some drinks and said some things to you. If I said too much, I know you're mine to lose. I had some drinks and said some things to you.
Oh yeah, that's the one. Come here. Let me talk to you. One call, two calls, three calls. Is that what I do to you? Is that what I do to you? You're outside my door, scared to be alone. I know you're addicted to. Hey, I know it's hard to understand. Sometimes a woman wanna act like a man, and when it feels like I'm running things, I know you're about to lose your mind. I know you hate me, but sometimes that's just the way love is. Sometimes don't you hate that you love me? I know that I love you, even though you don't believe it, baby. Hey, I know you hate me, you can't stop loving me. Come with me to Chocolate City.
In the city of LA, there's a place where the player plays. Every night the player knows that's where all the honeys go. Ooh, you can see who you wanna see, and you can be with who you wanna be. Chocolate City. Ooh, Chocolate City. Yeah.
Dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, try again. Cause if at first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again. I'm into you, you into me, but I can't let it go so easily. Not till I see what this could be eternity or just a week. And now our chemistry is off the chain. It's perfect now, but will it change? This ain't a yes.